Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay, and in this video I will show you on how to top up your Alipay account balance with your bank card, whether MasterCard or Visa card. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Alipay app. Having opened up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on balance. So you can see my current balance right here. Go ahead and click on recharge. Then make sure add saving card recharge is selected. Go ahead and enter the amount you want to recharge with. So I'm going to recharge 2 yuan. Go ahead and click on recharge. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your card number right here. I'm going to go ahead now and enter my card number detail. After you enter your card number, go ahead and enter your expire date and the CVV at the back of the card. So I'm going to click on here now and enter the expire date. Then hit on confirm. I'm going to go ahead now and enter the CVV at the back of the card. The next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down right here and go ahead and click on agree to terms and add. So click on that. Go ahead and click on continue right here.